over here you have the dried fish. And hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So I just finished preparing my native food, which is called kapunu, and at the last minute I just decided to share this video with you. I've just finished preparing the food, but I will be taking you through the process how this food is prepared. So this over here is the main ingredient. This is parboiled millet. So this is how the parboiled millet is prepared. The millet powder is prepared. So when the millet is harvested, the millet with the husks is boiled, and after it's being boiled, it's then dried up. When it's dried, it's now taken to a mortar, or use mortar and pestle to pound it to get the millet grains. Right after the millet grains are obtained, you take the grains to a grinding mill or a local mill. That is, the local mill will use stones, 2 stones, a big one, then a small one to grind. But modern day, most people will take it to the grinding mill and then roughly grind it like this, like you can see as so. So for this particular porridge, the millet is usually not smooth. It's just like this, rough like this. So this is how you prepare the millet powder for kapunu. So this is the main ingredient. So for the protein, this is what you will use: dried fish or amani. This over here is smoked catfish. Yeah. So other people may prefer to use meat, beef, pork, any protein of your choice, but traditionally this is what we use. And then some dawa, locust beans. That particular ingredient brings deliciousness to every meal, and then brings flavor to the meal as well, and it's very nutritious. Yeah. So these are the other ingredients you need to prepare your kapunu: ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, and then some tomato. So this is how you prepare it. You have to blend these things. Mostly traditionally what they do is to grind these ingredients, and then for the tomato you just mash it and then add some water to it. So now let me take you through the process how this particular porridge, the millet porridge, is prepared. This is called kapunu in Navrongo, in the Upper East region of Ghana, and this is very native to my people. Okay, so once you blend all your ingredients, the fresh ingredient, the tomato, the ginger, and all that, you add it to your saucepan, add some water, and then if you prefer, you can go ahead and add your protein right away and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Then you then go ahead and add in the millet flour there and allow to boil for some minutes there from time to time, so that the millet doesn't get burnt, the food doesn't get burnt. So after some minutes, taste and to see whether everything is okay. Add salt to taste, and then touch the food to see whether it is soft. I mean the millet. You aim at the millet, touch it to see whether it is soft. When it's soft enough, then your food is ready. So basically that is it. And if you prefer, you can also add some spice cube. So that is how my native food is prepared, the kapunu. So this is how it looks. So over here you have the dried fish, and then this is the porridge. This is how it looks. So let me know in the comment section if this food is native to your country or your village as well. Do you have anything similar to this particular food? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'm now going to enjoy my food. You are all invited. Thank you all so much for watching. Akia Lady there. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.